And today is August 7. So today is my birthday!
Happy birthday!
Nabawi. Kahapon kasi makulimlim. Buti na lang tayo nakaputi. Good morning everybody. Ngayon lang ako nakakapag-check-in. Dahil napakainit sa labas as in to the highest level of air for today. Di ba, Be?
Kapasikat ng
Yes. And grabe. Kasobrero siya. So, alam natin na mainit. And today is August 7. So, today is my birthday!
Happy birthday! Birthday!
Yeah. As I said, doon sa una, the reason why we're here is because it's my birthday. So today, we are headed sa Shinjuku Carl Vader Reservation sa restaurant. Buffet siya, I think. So, tama ba?
Yakiniku
Ay, yakiniku pala. Di pala buffet.
and crabs.
Yes, because mahilig ako sa seafood. So, ayun lang. Ito nga pala ay fan.
Shopee yan.
Yes, Jisoo Life. Okay siya. So far. And magtatap na muna kami. So, laters.
Thank you. Yes, please.
You can control this motor. Go securely. Power up is here and down is here. This is a way to enjoy your sukiyaki. Way to get out. This is both post that sukiyaki with sauce.
Okay.
And this is vinegar sauce for crab and lemon sauce and barbecue sauce. And this is egg roll. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Orange juice. Sige, English. Paano ba yun?
What's poppin'? Kailangan i-crack yung plate.
Sa ano?
Tabo. So, hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina. Nagkabali pa kami ng station. Buti na lang na-realize namin. Isang stop pa lang. Sobrang looks yummy. Carl said, natikman niya na okay daw. Hindi ako makapag-video properly. Kasi talaga ang sarap. Legit sukiyaki. Sukiyaki! Not S.O. Sukiyaki. And ito yung meat. Ano nga ba ito, babe? Ano mga options dito? Medyo madami. Ano yung tabla? Diba? May tabla.
Hindi mo kailangan mo.
Patong natin ito sa bin. So far, ano yung favorite natin, babe?
Ito, yung tawag dito?
Shoulder?
Powder.
This second round na to, ha? And I think baka ito yung shoulder.
Rib ata to.
So, beef tongue, sirloin, short rib. Wala pala mag-video, ha? So, may fillet, rib, finger meat, short rib with bone, chicken, pork neck, toes, pork shoulder, Iberian, no, the deep, okay, and I think there's outside skirt, fine Roman, liver, liver pala, beef intestine, poke sausage, guts, bacon, and we also have crab, boiled crab, sabi ni ate, server, ready to eat na daw ito. So, here it is, first round. natin.
Legit.
First meal lang siguro. Everything is unlimited.
Pati drinks na hindi ka naman nasalpa.
Oh, no. I ordered drink, fruit, and
Pati alcoholic pwede.
pwede?
Oo.
Pati daw pala. Check natin. Here are the other options, alcoholic drink options. May beer, and there's sour, lemon sour. Yan, cocktail. Parang type ko ng cocktail. Ay, hindi ako familiar dito sa mga, ano ba to, soju, whiskey. Oh, there's whiskey din. So if you like your meat or your sukiyaki with alcoholic drinks, this is also unlimited.
Okay, whiskey ka, babe?
Parang type ko yung cocktail.
Parang di pa ako nakakita.
Banayad whiskey. What else I haven't shown you pa ba? So for the meat ng sukiyaki, there's beef and there's pork.
Gusto ba sukiyaki? Or mag-iyaki nito?
Sort of vegetables, sukiyaki. So those are the things, or those are the options that you have here. If in case gusto nyo mag-book din dito sa Rokasen. Rokasen Annex here in Shinjuku. Book this through Klook. Sa Klook siya. So, ayun lang muna ang update. I hope I was able to show you guys yung mga kinakain namin. Enjoy muna namin yung food. Later!
Birthday!
Happy birthday to you. So we just moment, please.
Gulit ka?
One more for you. Okay. Make a wish. Okay.
Hey, wow. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.